Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back once again in mathematics class and we are studying sets chapter. Today we are going to start the numbers related to cardinal number. The questions related to cardinal number. Where these formula we will use. See, n means cardinal number. Cardinal number of A union B is equal to cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B minus cardinal number of A intersection B. I hope you have remembered what is the meaning of cardinal number. Number of elements in a set. Okay. See, NA minus B means cardinal number of A minus B is equal to NA means cardinal number of A minus cardinal number of A intersection B. NB minus A means cardinal number of B minus A is equal to cardinal number of B minus cardinal number of A intersection B. These three are the main formula which we will use now. These three are the shortcut formula which I have written here. You will also write down these and then you will use it. But before that, see how to draw the Venn diagram. Children, when we draw the Venn diagram, then any set is represented by a circle. Suppose this circle is representing a set A. Okay. Suppose one more circle is there which is representing to B. Okay. Both are overlapping on each other. Some portion is common in both. Now, A union B means all A and B. That is the A union B. Okay. If we want to know this common portion only, then this is called A intersection B. Because A intersection B means common portion, which is A and in A also and in B also. Okay. Now this portion is called A minus B. You are watching from A, we have removed those which are in B. That was the meaning of A, elements of A which are not in B. So same in the Venn diagram, this portion, if you draw it separately, you will find this type of structure. This is A minus B. From A, we have removed that part which is in B also. In the same way, here this portion will be. See here, all these will be the B minus A. Understood? This portion will be B minus A, this portion will be A minus B, and this common one is A intersection B. And if we have to take all A union B, then whole A and B. See this one. A and B. This will be called A union B. All these. This is A union B. Understood? Now pause the video and note down these things. Okay, now see this question. Here it is given that let P and Q be two sets such that cardinal number of P union Q is 70, cardinal number of P is 45 and cardinal number of Q is 38. Draw a Venn diagram and find these NP intersection Q, NP minus Q and Q minus P. So see how to do it. Firstly, write down the given things. Cardinal number of P union Q is 70, cardinal number of P is 45 and cardinal number of Q is 38. So we know that A intersection B is equal to, wait, this is the formula which we have read. From this formula you can see that you have to find intersection. If you have to find intersection, then transfer this left hand side and this number to the right hand side. Okay, this is the main formula which we have read. If we have to find NP intersection Q, it will be transferred left hand side and P union Q to the right hand side. Now put the value and calculate it. This is 45 plus 38 minus 70. 83 minus 70 means 13. Intersection is 13. Now second one, cardinal number of P minus Q means cardinal number of P minus cardinal number of P intersection Q. Cardinal number of P is given 45 and intersection we have found here 13. So 45 minus 13 is 32. By the same way the third one, cardinal number of Q minus P means cardinal number of Q minus P intersection Q. Now put the value. This is given 13 and this we have found. NQ is given 38 and P intersection Q we have found 13. Now subtract and get your answer. This is 25. Okay, you have found the given things. Now draw the Venn diagram. Suppose this is P, this is Q. Okay, P always denote intersection first. See, this is the intersection. So it will be 13. Okay, then after P minus Q. P minus Q is this portion. It will be 32 and Q minus P is 25. Understood? P minus Q, this portion is called P minus Q, this portion is called Q minus P, and this portion is called P intersection Q. Understood? Now again pause the video and note down this question. Okay, now see the next question. There is a group of 50 persons who can speak English or Tamil or both. That means these 50 persons can speak either English or Tamil or both the languages. Now, out of these 25 can speak English and 30 can speak Tamil. 25 people are using English and 30 are using Tamil. Now question is asking, fine. First one, how many can speak both English and Tamil? Second part is, how many can speak English only? How many can speak Tamil only? Now by reading this question, you have to use the symbol. Now see children, number of persons who can speak English, Tamil or both. Suppose English people are represented by E, Tamil people are represented by T. E is representing those people who are using English, T is representing those people who are using Tamil. The number of people who can use English, Tamil or both will be the union. It is given 50. This point you have to learn. If the people are doing anything, either using English or Tamil or both, will be represented by union. The person who can speak English will be represented by NE. This is 25. The people who are using Tamil will be represented by NT and this is 30. In the first part, you have to find that which can speak both. Speak both means which is common in English and Tamil. The people who are common in English and Tamil, that will be represented by intersection of English and Tamil. So now use the formula and find out your answer. NE plus NT minus NE union T. See this one. This is the formula. cardinal number of E intersection T is equal to cardinal number of E plus cardinal number of T minus cardinal number of E union T, where E is representing the set of those people who are using English. T is representing to those people who are speaking Tamil. This is 25, this is 30 minus 50. 55 minus 50 means 5. There are 5 persons who are using English and Tamil both. Now see the second part. How many can speak English only? English only means they do not know Tamil. The symbol for English only will be English minus Tamil. Those people who are using English, in those people we will remove them who knows Tamil also. So formula for this is cardinal number of E minus cardinal number of E intersection T. Now find the value. This is given 30. No, this is given 25. An intersection we have found 5. So 25 minus 5 is 20. That means there are 20 people who can speak only English. By the same way we can find the people who can use Tamil only. If the only term is given Tamil only, means Tamil minus English. This is the symbol which you have to learn. So formula for this will be NT minus NT intersection E. NT is given 30 and T intersection E and E intersection T both are same. So this we have found 5. 30 minus 5 is 25. Means there are 25 people who can speak Tamil only. Again pause the video and note down this question. Okay children, now see this question. In a group of 36 girls, each one can either stitch or weave or can do both. If 25 girls can stitch and 17 can stitch only, then how many can weave only? Now by reading the statement you have to find the symbols. Suppose stitching girls are represented by S and weaving girls are represented by W. S is representing to those girls which know stitching and W is representing those girls which knows weaving. Okay. So in this question S union W, cardinal number of this is given 36. This point you have to understand. 36 girls can either stitch or weave or both. Then that symbol will be used union. Okay, because union means all, collection of all, stitching also, weaving also and both also. Okay, now 25 girls can stitch means and S is equal to 25 and 17 can stitch only means stitching minus weaving. And how many can weave only? Weave only means weaving minus stitching. This we have to find. Now what is the formula for this one? NW minus NW intersection S. And you are watching that in the given 3 points all the 2 are absent. So first we will find these 2, then only we can find the W minus S. Now see. With the help of these 2 we can find the intersection, since NS minus W is equal to NS minus NW intersection S. This is given 17, this is given 25. So we can find this term NW intersection S is equal to 25 minus 17, that is 8. One term we have got. Now we have to find NW. Now how to find? See here. By using these 3, if we apply the formula for union, S union W is equal to ns plus nw minus ns intersection w. This is the formula. If you have learned all the formula, then watching the given statements and what you have to find, you can think which formula will be applied. Okay. First, by using these two, we have got the intersection. Now, by using these three, we can get the NW. Okay. Now, put the value. This is given 36. This is 25. This we have to find. And with this we have got 8. Now 25 minus 8 is 17 plus NW. That means 36 minus 17 is the NW. This is 19. Yes, this is 19. That means NW is 19. Now we have got NW also and intersection also. By using these two, we can get the NW minus S. Therefore, NW minus S is equal to C. NW we have got 19 and this we have got 8. Means 11 girls can weave only. Understood? This is a long question. There is a shortcut method also. See, what is the shortcut method? We have learned this formula and W union minus S minus NS. See this one. This is the shortcut formula. But you have to learn both. Don't think that sir has told shortcut means you will always use that method. No. If you want to be good in maths, then both the methods should be known to you. To save the time, you can use it. But you should know this method also. Long method also. Okay. And W minus S equal to W union S minus MS. Now put the value and calculate it. Because both are given. This is given 36. And this is given 25. 36 minus 25 is 11. See. By using this formula, only in 2 steps you can get your answer. But this is a long process. Okay. Now pause the video and note down this question. Now see the last question of this lecture. In a class of 45 people, 21 play chess, 35 play cards and 15 play both the games. Then question is asking, find how many do not play any of the game. How many play chess only? How many play cards only? Now see how to solve. Question is saying that number of pupil is 45. Number of pupil is 45. Out of 45, 21 play chess. Suppose chess I am representing CH. CH is representing to chess. So number of pupil playing chess is 21. Number of pupil playing cards. Suppose cards I am representing by CA. So this is given 35. And 15 play both the games. Both the games means intersection of chess and card. Now see here. Number of people playing chess is 21. Number of people playing cards is 35. And number of people playing chess and card both means intersection is 15. Now the question is this 45 union of these? Answer is no. Why? Because out of 45, some are not playing any game. While union means, union of chess and card means either they play chess or they play card or they play both. Understood? That means to find the first one, how many do not play any game, first we will find the union and then from total number of people, we will subtract the union. Understood? That means number of people who do not play any games is equal to 45 minus cardinal number of chess union cards. This is the method. From total number of people, we will subtract those who are playing at least one game. Okay. So now this is 45 minus. How to find this one? Formula for this is NCH, which is given 21, plus NCA, which is given 35, minus intersection of these. Intersection of these is 15. Understood? I have put the value directly here. NCH union CA means NCH plus NCA minus NCH intersection CA. Now solve it. 21 plus 35. 56 minus 15 means 41. That is 4. Is this correct? Yes. 45 minus 41 is 4. That means there are 4 people who are not playing any game. Okay? Any doubt here? Now, how many play chess only? How many play chess only means chess minus card. This is the meaning of this statement. And what is the formula for it? NCH minus CH intersection CA. NCH is given 21. This is given 15. So 21 minus 15 is 6. That means 6 people play chess only. And how many play cards only? Cards minus chess. Formula is this one. Card intersection CH. Card players are 35, intersection is 15, means there are 20 people who play cards only. Okay? Note down these questions, children, and do practice well. In the next class, we will start any new chapter. Okay? Bye-bye.